Number 5. Number 4. Number 3.
Introducing the original Work Sharp knife and tool sharpener, designed to sharpen every knife you own. Hunting knives, pocket knives, serrations, multi-tools, gut hooks, even scissors. There's a guide for thinner blades too, like kitchen knives and fillet knives. Easily remove the guide to sharpen yard and garden tools, shovels, pruners, shears, splitting tools, and even lawnmower blades. The knife and tool sharpener comes with coarse, medium, and fine grit belts to handle any sharpening task. It includes 2 sharpening guides, one for outdoor and other hard-working knives, and the other for thinner or smaller blades. Every WorkSharp knife and tool sharpener is assembled by hand and quality checked in Ashland, Oregon, and backed by the best customer service you'll never need. Own your experience. Visit WorkSharpTools.com to learn more.
Number 2.
Level up with Johnson. For over 70 years, Johnson Level has been the world leader in levels, lasers, and layout tools, made for professional tradesmen in the fields of masonry, flat work, drywall, plumbing, and more. Our tools are engineered to help you work faster, safer, and smarter. Our full line of levels include torpedo, I-beam, and box levels, including our Ultra Level, the world's most accurate level. Only Johnson offers product authority with innovations like oversized half-inch vials, glow-in-the-dark vial surrounds, and easy-clean bamboo levels for masonry work. Our levels carry lifetime accuracy warranties to ensure you'll buy it for life. Ready to level up? Check out our line of dot, line, rotary, and industrial lasers. Johnson offers the most comprehensive line of lasers you'll find anywhere. From pendulum-hung rotary lasers to fully programmable slope models, 2, 3, and 5 dot lasers, cross lines, and alignment lasers. Need higher accuracy or longer ranges? Our optical products include theodolites, auto levels, and transits, designed for simple, accurate layout of large job sites. If you're laying out small job sites, our comprehensive line of layout tools include framing squares and rafter squares with easy-read anti-glare coatings, tape measures, wheels, and laser distance meters. Our products are engineered for durability, but we know accidents happen. Johnson offers affordable, full-service repair and calibration for all our laser and digital products. From rough to finish, level up with Johnson and work faster, safer, and smarter.
Number 1.
Reduce the number of screwdrivers in your bag with this convenient multi-bit screwdriver featuring 15 drivers all in one tool. Convenient internal storage keeps the bits with the driver. The durable bit holding chamber securely holds the bits in place so they won't get jumbled up in the handle during use. The tamper-proof bit screwdriver offers most of the tamper-proof bits you'll need in one convenient place. Each screwdriver features 14 commonly used drivers plus a 1/4-inch hex nut driver. A classic and an HVAC model are also available. Classic Klein cushion grip handles provide added torque and comfort, while the Dome has a palm saver feature that rotates when you're really leaning into a screwdriver. Simplify your life and lighten your load with 15-in-1 drivers by Klein Tools. Klein Tools, for professional tradespeople since 1857.